Orukuru ekitongole kya Petroleum Authority of Uganda, Ernest Rubondo, nagira ngu mbwire obu Uganda eriyo neetebeekanisa okutandika kutimba amajuta. Ihanga riine kureebeka ngu abantu okukira munonga eminyeto baine obukugu oburikwetaagisibwa okuheereza ihanga omu butongore hamwe n'omu mirimo y'omu majuta. Ebi Rubondo abigambire obu abiire ari omugyenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okujwara kw'abeegi rushanju 81 abaheereza emishomo yaabo kandi bakatunga obukugu okuruga ahari Uganda Petroleum Institute, itendekero erikushomesa ebikwatiine n'eby'amajuta erikushangwa omuri Kigumba omu district ya Kiryandongo omu kyanga kya Bunyoro.
In addition to you keeping your ear on the ground, you also have to keep it on the ground internationally, because the certifications you have received enable you to work internationally. The competition for highly skilled workers is increasing as the energy sector continues to evolve, and most importantly, the sharing of skill sets with other industries.
Amukoro ogu Rubondo ashoborire ngu abanyayuganda bashoma eby'emikono nikija kumara ibura ry'abakozi abakugu omu by'amajuta kandi eki kyenegyeza entunguuka y'abantu, ebyanga hamwe n'ihanga. Ogu hoona asiimire itendekero eri ahabw'okuba ery'omurembe omu kutendeka abantu.
But specifically, the oil and gas industry has done significant investment in training of Ugandans. The Petroleum Authority of Uganda is required to document these things, and we have documented that up to date, close to $10 million United States has been spent on training over 14,000 Ugandan technicians.
Wahati Rubondo nagira ngu abakugu abarikwetagwa habw'ihanga okutandika kutimba amajuta bahereze kutendekwa okuruga ah'itendekero eri.
Ministry of Education, working with the Ministry of Energy in 2013, undertook a study on what training would be required to be given to Ugandans to work in the oil and gas sector. The first thing it established is that the majority of the people who are going to work in the oil and gas sector will not be degree holders. It was established that the professional people would only be 10%, the technical people would be 70%.
Amukoro nigwo gumwe Dr. Kedres Tulyagenda oyo muhandiiki mukuru omu Ministry y'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano agizire ngu okukugu omu by'emikono nikiheereza abantu emigisha mingi ey'okutunga emirimo kandi n'okubaasa kwetangiraho eby'okukora.
Ladies and gentlemen, skills development is one of the pillars on which Uganda's economic transformation will stand. In the oil and gas sector in particular, our country cannot afford to remain on the sidelines.
We Bernard Ongodia, mukuru w'itendekero rya Uganda Petroleum Institute, agize ngu nibakigenderera okureebuka ngu okutendeka kwabo nikuheereza abeegi obukugu oburikwetaagisibwa okuganyirwa omu mirimo eriho omu by'amajuta.
By investing in our local training capabilities, we can retain talent and ensure that our graduates are equipped with the skills needed to contribute to Uganda's development.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gada Asaba ahabwa Tayari West omuri Kiryandongo.
The chief